Shell. Polyvinyl chloride. Imported. High-density medicine exercise ball. The weight ball is filled with sand to prevent it from bouncing or rolling and enhance the balance and firmness of the ball. Easy-to-grip surface. Feature a grooved and textured PVC shell to help you get a firm grip on the ball even with sweaty hands. Thick seamless design. Specially formulated resilient soft shell which is rotationally molded for a seamless construction to add more durability and ensure it cannot be split over time of use. Boost your aerobic capacity. Improve muscle mass, increase your heart rate, burn more calories, enhance coordination between your hands-eyes for smooth movements in sports. Ideal for the toughest WODS. Non-bounce, specifically designed for CrossFit exercises, conditioning workouts, wood chops, overhead throws, twists, MMA, wrestling, football, basketball, or general athletic training. Top reviews from the United States. Good quality, buy lighter than you otherwise would. Seems to be great quality so far. Remembers kids, this is a slam ball, not a medicine. It is designed to deform and not bounce when thrown to the ground. I am a big strong guy, 270 pounds bench press, 400 pounds deadlift, and the 40 pounds ball was surprisingly difficult to pick up and lift overhead. I honestly think a 30-pounder would have been better for me. I am using it for HIIT. Pick your weight conservatively.